This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following county, Fairfax, Virginia, and the following independent cities in Virginia, Alexandria, Fairfax, and Falls Church. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for the city of Fairfax in northern Virginia, the southwestern city of Falls Church in northern Virginia, southeastern Fairfax County in northern Virginia, the western city of Alexandria in northern Virginia, until 2:45 p.m. At 11:44 a.m., the heavy rain has ended, but streams and creeks are rising due to the rainfall from this morning. The gauge at Strathmead Springs along the Atchison Creek indicates the Woodburn Road is covered by approximately 6 inches of water. Portions of the cross-county trail are also flooded. Some locations that will experience flooding include Alexandria, Annandale, Springfield, Fairfax, Fort Hunt, Vienna, Groveton, Falls Church, Huntington, Mantua, Fort Belvoir, Burke, Oakton, Lincolnia, Lorton, Franconia, Hyla Valley, Maryfield, Newington, and Lake Barcroft. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.